Good morning. I'm Peter Milios from the Finance News Network. US stocks rose on Tuesday as traders became optimistic on the financial sector's outlook following Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen's reassurances to safeguard against further banking crises. Yellen says the US will intervene if needed to protect smaller banks. The US government is ready to act if smaller institutions suffer deposits runs that pose the risk of contagion, the Treasury Secretary said. Overall, the Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 1%. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite gained 1.3% and 1.6% respectively. Regional banks surged Tuesday, led by First Republic. The beaten-down bank jumped 34.8% a day after losing 47%. The SPDR Regional Banking ETF gained 6%. Wall Street is looking toward the Federal Reserve's announcement on its monetary policy tightening path on Wednesday afternoon. The failures of Silicon Valley Bank and 3 other lenders over the past 11 days has put the Fed in a difficult position as it prepares to deliver tomorrow one of the most consequential decisions on interest rates of the Jay Powell era. The central bank chief was already under fire for being too slow to tighten rates and bring inflation under control without pushing the economy into recession. Now, a banking crisis hands the central bank a third crucial challenge: how to steer the banking sector out of the predicament and restore confidence in the sector. A new academic study calculates that there may be as many as nearly 190 lenders at risk of failure. And further to the Credit Suisse demise, a number of bondholders said Tuesday that they were considering legal action after $7 billion of the bank's additional Tier 1 bonds were wiped out as part of its emergency sale to UBS. Debt has always ranked higher than equity in the payout order, with the Swiss regulator's decision providing a return to equity holders over bondholders. In tech news, Amazon plans to lay off another 9,000 workers. The cuts add to 18,000 layoffs announced in recent months and represent less than 3% of the company's corporate workforce. Overall, overnight, most S&P 500 sectors closed higher. Energy was the standout, closing 3.45% higher, whilst utilities was the biggest laggard. The SPY futures are pointing to a 0.9% gain. Thank you for listening.